Last week, we introduced two brand new adapter kits for welders. This week, we will go over the different connections involved in each. First off, let's briefly go over the most common connection that welders use. This, of course, is the NEMA 650. The plug-or connector is rated for 50 amp usage at 250 volts. It has two hot wires and one ground, making it safer than the older style of NEMA 1050, which had two hot wires and one neutral. If you work in a welding shop, then chances are that you have a NEMA 650 outlet installed for your needs. But if you're a contractor that could have a job anywhere, you might not have the luxury of a NEMA 650 outlet. This is exactly why we created WDKIT02 and WDKIT03. Let's start with WDKIT02. This consists of 5 adapters. WD1030-650 and WD1430-650 will allow you to get power for your welder from both old and new style dryer outlets. Both of these connections are rated for 30 amps at 250 volts, so the weld may take just a little longer. There are 2 more adapters rated for 30 amps in this kit. They are WDL630-650 and WDL1430-650. The WDL630-650 connects to a NEMA L630R outlet, typically found in industrial workplaces and generators. The WDL1430-650 connects to a NEMA L1430R outlet, typically found in generators. If you're looking for a 50 amp connection around the house, you can use a NEMA 1450R cooking range outlet. The adapter for this is WD1450-650. If you are more mobile and use a high-powered generator, those generators often come with a NEMA 1450R outlet. What if you have different generator connections? WDKIT03 will keep you covered there. This kit is the same as WDKIT02, but with 5 more adapters added in. These adapters allow you to connect WDL1430-650 to a generator with a NEMA L1420R outlet, a NEMA L530R outlet, a NEMA TT30R outlet, and even a household outlet. A flexible adapter is also included if you need to connect to a 50 amp NEMA SS250R outlet, which is widely recognized for its use with shore power and industrial power distributors. It is also recognized as a CS6365 California Standard 50 amp locking temporary power source. If you have any questions or concerns about your power connection needs, please don't hesitate to contact us. Please check out our website to read informative blogs about similar topics and to see our various adapters and cords for your power solution needs. Check us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.